What are your 2 cents to all these people who are listening to you right now? And what do you want to tell the people who are aspiring to be, people like you, and you're already running your blog on CAT preparation? They are more on the preparation side, more on the mind setup side. What do you want to tell them, like what they should be feeling, what they should be doing?
Okay, so I have had my set of failures. I passed CAT in my second attempt. I got through this institute in my second attempt, but I never left hope. I was adamant that I could do it, and it is only that determination that has brought me here. I would just tell you that to be adamant and be stubborn. Be stubborn for what you want. That is it.
And you're going to get it. This is so amazing. Devanshi, thank you so much for your time. This is really inspiring. This is the real you, and there is no screen or disguise behind that. This is so amazing. Thank you so much for your time. You're awesome, Devanshi. May God bless you in all your endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir.